This week, Google revealed almost every Pixel 9 device coming at the August 13th Made by Google event. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold received significant attention, with concrete details emerging. Here's everything known about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a taller, narrower design when closed, moving away from the original's smaller passport-like look. The cover screen is now 6.4 inches, up from 5.8 inches. The back has a porcelain color with gold accents and a redesigned camera module, moving from a camera bar to a squarish module on the top right corner. The inner screen has slimmer bezels, with the selfie camera no longer in the bezel. Since February this year, leaks covered by Android Authority and 9 to 5 Google have revealed these design changes. The design has been refined for a more modern look. The new form factor should improve one-handed use and pocketability. The device also seems to have a more durable build, addressing concerns users had with the first-generation Pixel Fold. Leaks show the Pixel Fold 2 in obsidian and porcelain colors. The hinge can now open completely flat, and the punch-hole selfie camera is in the top right corner of the inner display. The inner bezels are still glossy plastic, which might affect durability. Leaks include 12 photos and teardowns, offering a detailed look at the hardware changes. There have been plenty of leaks in recent weeks, showing every angle of Google's Pixel 9 series. However, the second-generation foldable phone managed to stay under wraps until now. As reported by Android Authority, new regulatory photos from Taiwan's National Communications Commission, NCC, have fully revealed the Pixel Fold 2. 91 Mobile and OnLeaks have also gathered these photos along with 8 more, further solidifying the detail's accuracy. The hinge opening flat is a significant improvement, making the device more versatile for different uses, like a mini laptop, or for drawing and note-taking. The photos show that the Pixel Fold 2 maintains a premium look and feel, with high-quality materials and a well-thought-out design. As per the leaks by Android Authority, it is suggested that the Pixel Fold 2 will have a 4,560 megapixel battery, smaller than the original's 4,727 megapixel. Charging speed stays at 20.25 watts, similar to the original's 21 watts. Real-world testing is needed to evaluate battery life with the new Tensor G4 chip and Samsung modem. The smaller battery might be due to the slimmer design, but efficiency improvements in the Tensor G4 could balance this out. A post from GSM Arena suggests that the main camera will use the same Sony IMX787 sensor as the original Pixel Fold and Pixel 7a. The ultra-wide camera is upgraded to the Samsung 3LU sensor at 12 megapixels, while the telephoto and selfie cameras use the same sensors as the Fold 1 and S24 devices, respectively. Google's computational photography should maximize these sensors' capabilities. Despite using older sensors, Google's machine learning and AI enhancements should deliver impressive results. The Pixel Fold 2 will use the Tensor G4 chip with 16 GB of RAM, as per GS Marina, enhancing AI features. The chip, developed by Samsung, offers better heat management and battery life. The new Samsung 5400 modem will support faster 5G speeds, power efficiency, and satellite connectivity. This setup is expected to keep AI features running efficiently on the device. The Pixel Fold 2 will not include a thermometer or QI2 wireless charging, but will support ultra-wideband for precise location tracking. It will come with a year of Gemini Advanced, offering AI features and 2 terabytes of cloud storage. European pricing leaked at around €1,900, translating to approximately $2,000, indicating a potential price increase. The Gemini subscription includes access to Gemini 1.5 Pro, larger context windows, and file uploads for answers, summaries, and insights. Ultra-wideband support opens up new possibilities for location-based features and enhanced connectivity with other devices. The inclusion of a Gemini Advanced subscription adds significant value, especially for users interested in AI and cloud services. The leaked pricing suggests that the Pixel Fold 2 might be positioned as a premium device, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Subscribe for a full review and stay updated on Pixel content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.